Are your neighbors selling more than what your home is actually listed for? You may be losing offers on your home because the front is just Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph and I represent mainline PA buyers and sellers, and I know the sound and the look on my buyers' faces when a home lawn and that first impression is just a big drawback. So you could have a fabulous kitchen, but certain exterior elements might really be detracting from that impression. And first impressions are everything. So it might not be your fault. Maybe your listing agent did not take the pictures from a flattering angle, or maybe it was just too flattering. But either way, a bad lawn and entry really detracts from the way a home is perceived and can impact selling time on the market. I wanted to take a few minutes to give you my hacks for getting the best yard on the block without having to wait a whole season for things to go into bloom. So first, you can green your lawn. There are treatments to green your lawn and lay sod where there are spaces that require it. So sod can be really expensive, so be sure to choose those areas wisely. And if you have already, consult with a landscaping company who can understand where grass can and cannot grow. Second is dress up your door. It might sound silly, but the front door and the entry really does make a difference. So upgrade your paint, place a new mat, and make your entrance as welcoming as possible. You really do not need a designer to do this. So I cannot tell you how many times I've had buyers see poorly kept entryways give that side eye. Third, lay additional fresh mulch where you need it. If you have some stones or mulch, you really should make sure that it is fresh and that there are not weeds peeking through, and this can look unkept and it can reflect poorly on the home's state in general. Fourth, on the same note, clean the hardscapes. Whether they're stone or a deck, be sure that there are not weeds growing through or stains. Cleaning hardscapes goes a long way towards curb appeal. So lastly, be sure that you have clean windows. From the inside out, the windows offer views from the interior and from the exterior, and you do not want foggy windows or windows that have spider webs. So keep your windows clean during that listing period. I hope some of these tips will help you with the exterior curb appeal, and I have so many more tips on my YouTube channel and my sellers seminar. So tune in for more and for my most recent market update on the main line of PA. So Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.